What is the small part of the economy that must be honest for Bitcoin to work? The miners. Now you tell me, in the global GDP, the GDP of the world, what fraction of the global GDP is represented by the miners? You cannot even see it with a naked eye, not even with a magnifying glass. You need really an electronic microscope. In delegated proof of stake, the people that require to be honest are the 21 delegates. Again, they disappear in the global GDP. So what do we do in Algorand? Essentially, it's the following. Is that the economy is represented by tokens, 10 billion tokens, and if the majority of these 10 billion tokens are in honest hands, the system is secure. Put it in another way, who can somehow really destroy Algorand? You need that the majority of the token collude together to destroy the very economy of which they own the majority of. And to me, that is way preferable, and is unlikely, it's way preferable to put all the economy destiny to just a small piece of economy. Essentially, the majority of the economy is the one responsible for keeping the whole system secure, not a small part. That's what we call pure proof of stake, and is really the Algorand approach to security in blockchain.
Yeah, I find this absolutely fascinating.
Yeah, I'm on the blockchain with it, and my blockchain monkeys full of octane in them. You know the vibe, plus we shredded that.
What is going on, blockchain monkeys? Eagle here to like to thank you for coming to my jungle. Now, first of all, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I a professional in blockchain technology. But there is one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give you my opinion. So today, we got to get into it. We got Flare Networks coming together with Algorand, and huge shout out to Kevin Cage. For over a year ago, he's been telling us about Algorand and what they're doing. And I finally was able to take a deep dive, reason being, because Flare Networks added them. So I asked myself, why would Flare Networks want to, add somebody like Algorand to the platform? And as I started to dig, and I quickly saw why. Let's take a look. Coming in from Borderless Capital, we have Flare Networks to our portfolio. We're looking forward to supporting the integration of Flare Networks EVM smart contract interoperability into the Algorand borderless economy. But I wanted to show you guys this, which brings me to this. You have Flare Networks raises 11.3 million in funding round with Kinetic and DCG. The funding will go towards advancing Flare's mission to bring smart contract functionality to blockchains that don't natively support them. Smart contract platform Flare Networks raised 11.3 million. Other firms participating in the funding also include LD Capital, C Fund, Wave Financial, Borderless Capital, and Backend Capital, while individuals taking part included Litecoin founder Charlie Lee and Terra co-founder Do Kwon. Which leads me to Arrington Capital, who launches $100 million to fund and invest Algorand-based initiatives. The Arrington Algo Growth Fund aims to encourage and spur additional development on Algorand, which also has seen significant growth in adoption recently across DeFi, decentralized finance, traditional finance, the public sector, NFT, and so much more. AAGF will invest in Algorand-focused projects, including liquid and illiquid coins, to empower projects that are creating new financial applications in the Algorand ecosystem. Algorand, the brainchild of touring award winner Silvio McCallie, who you saw in the beginning of this video, just a genius, man. You know what I'm saying? It was designed from the ground up for modern financial application and provided the security, decentralization, scalability, and efficiency, and needed to support billions of users, all on a carbon not neutral, negative blockchain. Had a chance to check out this partnership also. You have Xfinite and Euros now expand partnership for blockchain-based content engagement program on Algorand. Xfinite and Euros now, a leading over-the-top OTT South Asian entertainment platform owned by a global entertainment company, Euros STX, and global corporation NYSE, ticker symbol ESGC, announced it has deepened its partnership with Xfinite's Mozilla's platform, a gamified video streaming service on track to have 10 million users by end of the year. So shout out to Algorand for that. And I was checking out their platform yearly. It's the first DeFi platform to host on Algorand, and it's just crazy. As you can see here, yearly debuts DeFi on Algorand with 8 million total volume locked in the first 48 hours. Let's take a look. So we have here placing yearly within the top 40 DeFi protocols by yield, total volume locked in under 2 days post-launch. The milestone comes ahead of its June 17th cross-chain launch, where users of the wider DeFi ecosystem can participate in yearly's no-loss lottery and liquidity pools, as well as launching its suite of recently audited non-custodial smart contracts on Algorand. Yearly has launched a no-loss lottery for Algo holders in its initial use case. Algorand's first no-loss lottery product gives users a chance to be rewarded with a share of the accumulated Algo and yearly rewards. Meanwhile, the yearly continues to build out its roadmap, including cross-chain capabilities with ERC20-based DeFi protocols, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. It's when I see stuff like this that really piques my interest. You have here Marshall Islands, government, public sector, digital assets, stablecoins. How the Marshall Islands is using Algorand. Algorand was selected to power the first national digital currency for SOV because it has the best functionality required to issue, manage, and distribute the SOV on a global level. Additionally, the Algorand protocol was chosen for its speed, scalability, security, and its ability to effectively implement required compliance controls and the transaction finality needed for a national digital currency. Like when I see stuff like that, it's what causes my hyperactive informational FOMO to kick in. You know what I mean? Like, there's nothing I could do about it at this point. And because of my neediness to get a little bit more information, I was looking at this project called Ledgermatic, and they happen to run on Algorand. Let's take a look at what they are. You have Ledgermatic, a digital treasury management solution, is a first of its kind technology and toolkit that prepares enterprise and institutions to benefit from the tokenized economy. It is a first of its kind. It is running on Algorand. So I'll leave you with this. Coming in from the World Economic Forum, you have cryptocurrencies, a guide to getting started. Like, look at them trying to teach. It's right in front of your face. Global Future Council on Cryptocurrencies, community paper, June 2021. I want to take you down and show you who they're using as examples of where we're going. You have here at number 5, page 16 on the Economic Forum of the community paper of June 2021. Scalability is a comparative term with blockchain technology, most notably for assessing throughput. Throughput approximates the number of transactions that can be processed per second. However, with many new innovative blockchains and underlying protocols, throughput is just one factor to consider in assessing the overall scalability of the network. The following outlines the throughput of various networks and provides resources for learning more about their scalability features. Hello, we're putting it right in front of your face. We have Algorand here as an example. I don't know why they put it there as an example. I can only assume, I can only guesstimate. I can only put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 together. But I tell you one thing, it makes me want to get new moon boots. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will all see each other on the moon.
Cause it's the standard in this bitch. XRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying by the swift, keep it walking. Respect your elders in these bushes. Bitcoin is talking.